So when the stomach herniates up, it compromises the lower esophageal sphincter. It also puts pressure on the vagus nerve, which can create a whole host of problems, not only heart palpitations, increased acid production, and also making the lower esophageal sphincter, the trap door, weaker than it should be. And this all results in acid reflux and GERD. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. David Culla. Back in the mid-90s, when I was a first-year college student getting my doctorate, I had already finished my bachelor's, but I was late for a class because I had really bad acid reflux and GERD, and it was the first time I had it. And of course, when I walked in late to the class, the teacher had asked me, "Hey doctor, why are you late? This is important. You wouldn't be late for a patient." And of course, me being a little embarrassed in front of the whole class, I told him that I had really bad acid reflux and I had some GERD, and I regurgitated my lunch. And he said, "Great, we're talking about the gastroesophageal junction today, and we're going to have you come right up here in front of the class." So in front of the entire class, he showed everyone an osteopathic maneuver to help lower the stomach down. And for those of you that don't know, the reason why we get acid reflux and GERD, along with all the other weird symptoms that are associated with that, like heart palpitations, panic attacks, anxiety, difficulty getting a full breath, bloating, nausea, dysphagia, difficulty swallowing food, globus, like there's a pit in your throat, a chronic cough at night, especially when you lie down, or having to clear your throat all the time because there's mucus there. These are all really common signs. And then also chest pain, common signs of a hiatal hernia. And a hiatal hernia is what causes all of these problems. So a hiatal hernia is when the stomach herniates up through the diaphragm. So not only does that compromise the lower esophageal sphincter, which is the trap door to keep the acid in the stomach in the correct place, it's now compromised in the diaphragm, stuck in there. And then also you have two vagus nerves that run right up through along the esophagus through the hiatus. And the vagus nerve controls heart rate variability, so that explains the heart palpitations, but it also controls acid production and the motor function to the lower esophageal sphincter. And that's why it's like a cat chasing its tail. So when the stomach herniates up, it compromises the lower esophageal sphincter. It also puts pressure on the vagus nerve, which can create a whole host of problems, not only heart palpitations, increased acid production, and also making the lower esophageal sphincter, the trap door, weaker than it should be. And this all results in acid reflux and GERD. So if you understand the mechanism behind acid reflux and GERD, then it makes sense why you would pull the stomach down. So now, 30 years later, I've been treating this condition. I have that technique stuck in my head because he made an example out of me in front of the entire class. But in that process, over 30 years, I've been treating this condition successfully with this technique. We don't often supply people with supplements. You can eat what you want when you correct the underlying cause of GERD and acid reflux. So after all these years, I finally created a YouTube channel years ago and did a treatment on a patient. And you know, I see this every day for 25 plus years, and we did a video, it went viral, and that led me to decide to create something to help people with acid reflux and GERD, and that's the Reflux Shield. And the Reflux Shield mimics the osteopathic technique that I've been using for over 25 years with an 85% success rate. It's safe, it's effective, And you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Just go to refluxshield.com and we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.